Today, I'm going to show you how to create free videos with Flova AI. 100% free, step-by-step, if you want to make videos for YouTube, TikTok Shorts, or even promote products online without paying for expensive software. This is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the official Flova AI website using your browser. Create a free account using your email or Google login. Make sure you select the free plan if it asks you to choose one. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see the main creation panel. Step 2. Click on Create New Project or New Video. Now choose the type of video you want to create. If you want something fast and automatic, select Text to Video. This option allows you to simply paste a script and let the AI turn it into a complete video. Step 3. Write or paste your script into the text box. If you don't have a script, you can use a simple format like hook, main idea, call to action, for example. Most people are making this mistake with their money. Here's why it matters. Follow for more tips. Keep your script short if you're making Shorts or TikTok videos. Step 4. Choose your video format. If you're making YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos, select vertical format 9:16. If you're making a regular YouTube video, choose horizontal 16:9. Step 5. Customize your video. You can select the AI voice if it's available in the free version. Choose background music. Adjust visuals or images suggested by the AI. Turn on captions. Captions help increase watch time. Step 6. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Flova AI creates your video automatically. Once it's ready, preview it. If you need changes, edit the text or visuals and regenerate. Step 7. Click Export or Download. In the free version, there might be a watermark or time limit, but it's perfect for beginners starting out, and that's it. That's how you create videos with Flova AI, 100% free.